Hi everyone, welcome back to another AutoCAD tutorial. In this session, we are going to construct an involute of a circle. So what is the question? To draw an involute of a given circle of 30 diameter. What is an involute? I will show you an animation to help you understand the concept clearly. An involute is a smooth curved line traced by the end of a string as it unwinds from a circle or a polygon, with the string always kept taut. What are the applications of the involute? The involute curve is mainly used as the profile of the gear teeth and wheels. For real life examples of involute gear profiles, I have added a link to one of my previous videos in the description. Now let's start the construction in AutoCAD. Before going to start the diagram, check units. Yes, if it is millimeters, just click OK. Otherwise, you will change it. Next, stop the grid. The first step is to draw a circle with a 30 diameter. For that, I am going to select the circle here, or in command prompt enter C. Select the center point and diameter D, enter. 30 is the diameter, enter. Now draw a line from center to this point. Now I am going to give names to those points with the text command text text, enter. Select first point, height give 2.5, enter. No, just rotation angle is 0. Now text is you will take center as O, and another point here it is P, capital P. Okay, capital O. Okay, remove this one. Move these points. Move this point P here, or put inside. No issue. Now draw a line from the point P with a distance of, how much the distance? That is the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of the circle formula is pi d. For that I am going to use the calculator. Check it. Pi into 30. 94.247. Draw a line from this 94.247. Okay, and mark this point here. Here it is EDQ. Okay, now divide this PQ into 12 equal parts by using the command divide, div, enter. Select this object, 12 segments, enter. I want to change the P type size, put 3 here. Okay, okay. Now I will give the names to all these points. For that I am going to copy this text. Yeah. Next I am going to edit this one, ed. I'm going to forget to copy another. Yeah, ed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now I am going to draw this tangent around this periphery of the circle 12 times. For that I am going to use the polar array. So AR array, select this object and this object and these all the points and this 12 point, enter. Now select the enter polar array. Now specify the center point. This is my center point. Here you will change number of items 12. Enter. So now I will draw the profile, involute profile, by using the spline curve. By using the spline curve. So every time these point marks are suppose very bigger in the size, by using the regenerate command, regenerate, regenerate, our simple command is re. Use that re, you will get appropriate sizes of these points. So now I am going to use the spline command, spl enter. Select from the point P, the curve is started. Select the first point 1, second point 2, third point 3, fourth point, fifth point, very simple, sixth point, seventh point, eighth point, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enter, set enter, re-enter. See, now profile has completed. Now I want to remove unwanted lines and these points. For that I am going to use the explode command, exploed, or simply x, enter. Select your array, enter, and regenerate. Suppose if you get like this, regenerate. Okay. Now you can remove all these points, unwanted points. See, if you don't want these points, you simply erase all these points. Delete it. By using the trim command, you can trim these unwanted lines also. Okay, this is our involute. Now I am going to change this width of this line by using p edit, enter, width, select, give some 0.4. If you want to change the color, see, this is your involute. This is your involute. Okay, now you can place the various points. For that, copy CO, you can locate this point, this point, this point. If you locate at least 3 to 4, 5 points, okay, while practicing you will just forward this video and you can locate at least 2 to 3 points or 5 points. Okay, nice. So after copy of all the points, next I am going to edit the text by using the command ed, enter. So first here I am going to change here p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, p6, p7, p8, p9, p10, p11, p12. Now I am going to draw normal and tangent. You can locate somewhere. Suppose I am going to take here, this is my point for drawing the normal and tangent. So for this point, I am locate point PO, enter, somewhere, yes. That point name is, copy, that point name is M, ED, M, ED, M. Now draw a line joining M and center of the circle O. Now draw a line O to M. See, this is my circle. Now I am going to draw semicircle with CS center. So I am going to copy this M to somewhere C. Here it is, yes, C, ED, C. With CS center, with CS center. If you want, make a point PO, midpoint. With CS center, CO or CM radius, draw semicircle. For that, I am going to use the arc. Okay, center, start, end. Center, start, end. So this is my curve. Where it is intersecting, uh, this intersecting point is again located by using the point PO. The name of that point is ED changed as B. Now join B and M line, join B and M some distance. So this is normal. B, I am going to locate this point is ED. This is normal at entry. Now I am going to draw tangent. Somewhere you can start your line and perpendicular to this normal, move this line to here. Okay, move this line to here. If you want, you can enlarge some distance. Yeah. You can locate inside also. For the convenience, you can locate inside also. Now name to this one is TT, ED, T, T. Okay, I am going to highlight this normal and tangent with some color. Here magenta color is there. Go with magenta. This one also magenta. Yeah. So now BN is the normal and TT is the tangent. Okay. Now I am going to place the dimensions. Okay. Dim dia. You want to dim dia for this circle. Here you can locate inside somewhere it is, or you can locate like this. Okay. Now here dim linear, enter. Select from this point to this point. Adjust. Okay. You can just adjust your drawing. You can adjust your drawing without any overlappings. Again, I will put the text heading. Text. Take 3. Enter. Enter. Involute of a CAEG circle. Somewhere it is, you can locate middle. Okay, or just move. Yes, involute of a circle. So with this construction of involute has been completed. Now how to take this printout? Now go to layout. Here you can observe. If you want to change this color, here if you want to change anything here, MS enter. See, if you change it, just Z enter, E enter. It will automatically fit to the screen. So if you want to change this color, you can here you can change the color like this. Okay. If you want to increase the size using the command P edit, enter, enter, M enter, select this and this and this, enter, enter, go to width, give 0.25. So now here if you observe the points are very bigger in size, regenerate. Now automatically all the points are converted into small sizes. Okay, now go to the application menu here, export PDF in your desktop, PDF save. Okay, now here your Involute profile is here. Close this and close this. Clear? You take the print of this one and put onto your record. Okay, this is the way you can create an involute. So with this I will stop this session, and I will explain in the next video how to draw an involute for a given polygon. Okay, thank you.